I'm Sean Smith, and this is Salty Jobs. We're here at Roscioli Donzi Yachts, and today we're going to be resin infusing a 76-foot Sportfish boat. I have no idea what that means, but we're gonna find out. Let's go. We're here with Dean, who is part of the Roscioli Donzi Yacht building team. Dean, I feel like a scientist in this getup. What are we doing here today?
Well, funny you asked that, Sean. We do have some chemistry involved with what's happening today. We're going to be infusing a 76-foot yacht hull using the vacuum infusion process.
Vacuum infusion, I have no idea what that means. Can you explain that to me?
We lay up all of the materials into the hull mold above us as dry materials, and we put a big plastic bag over it, and we suck all the air out of it, and basically infuse the resin through the dry material.
So you guys have already done all the dry work?
That's correct. Over the last couple of weeks, we've spent that time installing those dry materials, installing some lines on top of them that allow the resin to flow through the part.
So what are the next steps for us?
What we've been spending today doing is organizing the resin so it's ready to go. One of the things that we need to add to the resin to make it go hard is what we call a catalyst. And basically, that just makes the resin go hard as soon as we mix it.
Well, hey, I'm all geared up and ready to go. Let's get started. Boat building has come a long way since the days of steel and wood. Advanced techniques like resin infusion allow boat builders to maximize strength and minimize weight for improved performance. An important part of the infusion process is to carefully watch the lines for air bubbles, which indicate a leak that must be found and plugged immediately with putty. I'm here with Sean, who is the VP of Operations at Roscioli Donzi Yachts. Sean, we just finished the infusion process, which is one of the coolest things I've ever done. Tell me a little bit about what you do. You oversee all this?
Yeah, I oversee this along with Help Assist down at Roscioli down in Fort Lauderdale. Here at the plant, we build boats from 58 feet up to 90 feet.
There's a lot left to be done on this after the infusion, correct?
Absolutely. What you did today was actually build the hull, stringers, bulkheads, and then the equipment go in. We got a start of a 52-week plus process.
So we just built the frame today?
That's correct.
You never think about how much goes into building a boat.
No, there's quite a bit of information, people, ideas, so there's a lot going on.
So
there.
how'd you become a boat builder?
I started down in Roscioli's helping out in the yard, worked my way up the chain of command with Mr. Roscioli teaching me every aspect of the boat building, and eventually ended up over here.
Are you from Broward County originally?
Born and raised Hollywood. Graduated from BCC and then from USF.
Oh, Broward College?
Yep.
Did you do the Marine program there?
I did. Yep.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Excellent.
Well, hey man, this was, like I said, one of the coolest things I've ever done. I really appreciate you letting me be a part of this here today.
Anytime, and hope to see you when we finish up the boat, take you out on a boat ride.
Oh, that would be awesome. That would be really cool.
Excellent.
Hey, thank you. I'm here at Roscioli Donzi Yachts, and today we are going to be I have no idea what that means, but let's go find out.